Hello students, welcome in the class. I hope you all are fine. Today our topic is noun and its kinds. So let's start the topic. What is noun? Noun is naming words. Means everything which has a name is called noun. कोई भी चीज जिसका नाम है वो noun है. Means everything which you can see around you. जो भी चीज़ें जिनकी भी नेम है they all are noun. For example here rose it has a name, it is a noun. Doll, it has also a name, that's why it is noun. Hand, it has a name, so it is a noun. Crown, so it is also a noun. Means everything that has a name is called noun. Here the definition of noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Example Ram, Agra, loin, table, etc. Here if you see, then Ram is the name of a boy. Agra is the name of a city. Loin is also a name of an animal. Table it is a non-living thing, but it also has a name, so it is noun. Means you can say everything, either it is living or non-living. If it has a name, then it is noun. It may be a feeling also, है ना, आपकी feeling भी हो सकती है. So everything that has a name is called noun. Now, kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, material noun, and collective noun. Now let's discuss them in detail. First one is proper noun. Proper, जैसा कि नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, a noun which names a particular person, place, animal or thing is called a proper noun. Means anything which has a particular name. Means different, similar ना हो सबकी जैसा, अलग नेम हो, उसका अपना पर्टिकुलर नेम हो, इट इज कॉल्ड नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल राम इज अ नेम ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर बॉय. मीन्स राम इज नॉट अ कॉमन वर्ड फॉर ऑल द बॉयज, इट इज अ नेम फॉर अ बॉय, है ना, एक किसी लड़के का नाम है राम, सो दिस इज प्रॉपर नाउन. Similarly, you can see Mathura. Mathura is a name of a particular city. It's not common for all the city. That's why it is also a proper noun. Means you can say proper noun is a noun which has a particular name. Either it is person, place, animal or thing. Means anything which has a particular name, it is called proper noun. Students, here mango is not a proper noun. Actually, it is written by mistake. Now you have to keep in mind one thing. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Means ये कहीं भी लिखा जाए, चाहे सेंटेंस की स्टार्ट में या सेंटेंस के बीच में, it always starts with a capital letter. Now next one is common noun. आप नाम ही देख रहे हो इसका, common means which is common for all. A name which is common for many, you can say. Okay. A noun which is common for all person, place, thing of the same class or kind is called a common noun. For example, boy. Now, boy is a common name for all the boys. City is a common word for all the city. Either it is Mathura, Agra, means any city. We can use this word city for all the city. Fruit is also a common word for all the fruit. River, there are many river in India, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, etc. But river is a common word for all the river. That's why it is a common noun. So you can say any word which is used commonly for many is called common noun. Next one is abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of qualities, states. States होती है अवस्था, feelings, ideas and action. Actually you cannot see the abstract noun. जो abstract noun होती हैं उनकी कोई shape नहीं होती है, आप उन्हें देख नहीं सकते हैं. You can only feel it, है ना, सिर्फ आप feel कर सकते हैं. Suppose kindness. काइंडनेस मीन्स होती है दयालुता. सो काइंडनेस इज अ फीलिंग, है ना, एक फीलिंग है, आप उसे महसूस कर सकते हैं. यू कैन नॉट गिव इट अ शेप, मतलब आप ये नहीं कह सकते वो कितनी बड़ी है कितनी छोटी है इस तरह से. नो, दिस इज अ फीलिंग. सिमिलरली चाइल्डहुड, चाइल्डहुड इज अ स्टेट, एक अवस्था है ना. सो नेक्स्ट इज ऑनेस्टी, ईमानदारी. ईमानदारी इज ऑल्सो फीलिंग, इट्स अ क्वालिटी ऑफ अ पर्सन. विजडम, विजडम होती है इंटेलिजेंस, बुद्धिमत्ता. इट इज ऑल्सो मीन्स यू कैन से, यू कैन फील इट हाउ इंटेलिजेंट इज अ पर्सन इज. बट आप ये नहीं कह सकते विजडम की क्या शेप है, कैसी दिखती है. सो मीन्स abstract noun are noun which has no shape because they are feelings, they are qualities, we can feel them. Okay, next one is material noun. Material noun is the name of metal or substance of which things are made of. Remember, things are made of. Material noun उन्हीं materials या substance को कहा जाता है जिनसे कोई भी चीज बनाई जाती है. Example, silver. Silver एक metal है. You can make many things like ornaments, utensils with silver. Cotton, cotton is a fabric. You can make many dresses, uniforms, etc. with cotton. Wood यानी कि लकड़ी, you can make many furniture with the wood. Gold, you can make many jewelry with the gold. It is also a metal. So you have to keep in mind that anything which are used to make something, कोई भी चीज जो कुछ बनाने के काम आती है, is called material noun. Now suppose if I say ring, is it a material noun? Ring means अंगूठी. No, it is not a material noun. ये तो बन चुकी है. ठीक है, कोई भी ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो कुछ बनाने के लिए यूज होता है. सपोज इफ आई से गोल्ड मीन्स गोल्ड, सो गोल्ड इज अ मटेरियल नाउन बिकॉज वी कैन मेक रिंग विद द गोल्ड. हम गोल्ड से रिंग बना सकते हैं ना. सो गोल्ड इज मटेरियल नाउन, रिंग इज नॉट अ मटेरियल नाउन. रिमेंबर, मटेरियल नाउन आर नाउन विच आर यूज टू मेक समथिंग, जो कुछ बनाने के काम आते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज कलेक्टिव नाउन. जैसे कि नाम से क्लियर है, कलेक्टिव मीन्स वेयर वी फाइंड कलेक्शन. ओके, कलेक्टिव नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ अ ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन्स, कलेक्शन ऑफ थिंग्स, जहाँ पर कोई भी ऐसा वर्ड जिससे पता लगे कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पर. सपोज टीम, टीम वर्ड आपने सुना, आपको टीम वर्ड सुनते ही ऐसा लग रहा है कि टीम है, देयर मस्ट बी मैनी पीपल, है ना, कुछ लोग होंगे. लाइक अगर मैंने कहा क्रिकेट टीम, सो देयर मस्ट बी 11 प्लेयर्स इन द क्रिकेट टीम. If I say class, then if there is a class, then there must be many students in the class. If I say army, then there must be many soldiers in the army. Next is bunch. Bunch means होता है गुच्छा. Means suppose bunch of keys, then it must be many keys to make a bunch. ऐसा तो नहीं है एक की का bunch बन जाएगा, नहीं. अगर bunch है then there must be many keys. Similarly, bundle, like bundle of sticks, then there must be many sticks to make a bundle. So you can say any word which shows the collection of things, the group of people, is called collective noun. Now remember one thing, collective noun should be singular, है ना, वो plural नहीं हो सकता. अगर मैं कहती हूँ boys, boys एक plural word है, इससे ये तो पता चल रहा है कि यहाँ बहुत सारे बॉयज होंगे, बट इट इज नॉट अ कलेक्टिव नाउन. रिमेंबर, कलेक्टिव नाउन शुड बी सिंगुलर, बट if the singular word shows the collection of people, collection of things, then it is called collective noun. Now I hope it is clear. So the topic noun has completed. I hope all of you understand what is noun and what its kinds. Thank you. Have a great day.